Your life is a construction project, and most people are building without a plan. They're just stacking bricks and hoping for a house. Today, I'm giving you the blueprint, a step-by-step guide to building an intentional, fulfilling life. Welcome to Isaac's Inspirations Build the Life You Want. This is a 6-episode journey to designing your best life. Episode 1, the architecture of your reality. Own your life before someone else does. You have to understand one fundamental truth. You are not a passenger in your own life. You are the architect. If you don't own the design, you'll end up living in a structure built by someone else's expectations. Responsibility is power. Ownership is the first brick you will ever lay. It starts with accepting where you are, identifying what you control, and taking one deliberate action. Accept without judgment, identify the variables in your hands, then move. Don't wait for permission, take the lead. Write down one area where you've been waiting for a fix. Decide what you will do about it this week. That's your first brick. Episode 2, Blueprint Thinking. Design your vision before the world designs it for you. A life without vision is a building without walls. It's open to every wind that blows. Clarity is your most underrated success tool. You cannot build what you cannot see. Vision is deciding what your life will look like before it happens. It's the target for every move you make. The vision framework is simple. Define your life domains, create your 5-year picture, and lock onto your North Star. Spend 20 minutes writing your 5-year vision in the present tense. Read it every morning. If it's not clear in your mind, it won't be clear in your reality. Episode 3, Laying the Bricks. Discipline is the only currency that never loses value. Motivation gets you started. Discipline keeps you building when no one is watching. It's the daily work that makes the dream durable. Every disciplined action is a deposit into your future. You don't rise to motivation, you fall to your systems. This is the currency of growth. The gap between the life you have and the life you want is simply the sum of your daily habits. Small actions compound into extraordinary results. Master the discipline stack. Use anchor habits, design your environment for success, and commit to the 1% rule. Progress is quiet, but it's powerful. Episode 4, Weathering the Storm. Resilience is not about avoiding failure, it's about outlasting it. The storm does not destroy the builder, it reveals how strong the foundation is. Resilience is a skill built through practice. Every setback is a structural lesson, not a death sentence. You survive small storms to prepare for the big ones. Build it stronger next time. The resilience rebuild process is simple. Grieve, then pivot. Extract the lesson, then rebuild with upgrades. Never waste a crisis. Think of your most recent setback. What did it teach you? Write it down and commit to one way you will build differently starting now. Episode 5, The People You Build With. Your environment is either your greatest asset or your biggest liability. You cannot build a skyscraper with people who only believe in bungalows. The company you keep determines the height of your potential. Surround yourself with architects, not critics. Find the people who challenge your standards and expand your vision. Growth is a team sport. Episode 6, Open for Business. This is the moment where theory becomes reality. It's time to launch the life you've designed. Execute even when confidence is low. Win the day, not the mood. Remember, you are the architect. Move smarter. Checkmate. Now go. I'll see you in the next one.